I'm going to cook Mash Ki Daal. This is Mash Ki Daal, a little bit split over actually, so I'm going to turn on. It's a full flame, and these are the ingredients I'm going to use. These are cloves and crushed black pepper, a little bit, cumin seed. This one is a cinnamon stick. This is turmeric powder and crushed chili powder, and here is a salt. These are the only ingredient, dry ingredient, and this one will be, this is a garlic, chopped lesson. It actually came ready made from the store. Is a wholesale place where this oil I'm going to add the last, not now. I'm going to add now this one, garlic, and this go everything together. And now I'm going to add these two ingredients right here. This is a ginger and green onion. That's it. It comes like that actually in the pack. So I took out, I'm going to add all this, I'm going to cut thin, and also I'm going to chop this one. After chopping, I'm going to add it. It will take the next 5 minutes. So then I'm going to add a little bit oil once it's done, 15 minutes before, once it's tender.